This is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Today I'd like to introduce you to roll forming machines. One roll forming machine is to produce the stud profile and the other one is to produce the track profile. They are two profiles very popular in drywall systems. First, we are going to check the U-profile roll forming production line first. Let's have a look. Now I'm standing at the beginning of the production line. This is a manual decoiler. For a small strip like this one, the manual decoiler is suitable. Now we are checking the feeding part. The machine produces three sizes of mounted of canal profile. So we put the digital rulers for the customer to check the center line of each machine. This is the feeding part of the production line. This line can produce three sizes. So we put the digital rulers. The customer can know easily the center line of the machine when you produce different sizes. These rollers is to make embossing on the profile. After the rollers, it comes out with embossment. We change the spacers to produce different sizes. Now the machine is on the size 70 millimeters. After that, when you produce 90 millimeter, you put this spacer inside the rollers. And when you produce 150, you put this spacer inside. That's how we can realize producing three sizes of profiles in one machine. We have a detailed video explaining this working process. On this profile, the height we made an H fold. It can make the profile has a better resistance. This small design is very popular for the drywall profiles. It will be stronger than normal U channel. Now the machine is producing in speed 24 meters per minute. The maximum speed is 45. We are trying to make it 30 meters. That's all about the production of this U-profile. If you are interested in, please feel free to contact with Linbay Machinery. We ensure you that when you receive our machine, you can start production immediately. We will offer you the well-adjusted machine and very detailed installation video, and of course, an instruction book in English. We will always be online to give you technical supports. Talk to Linbay Machinery to get more specifications. See you next time. Bye bye.